booked this trip just 4 days ago, found my hotel on the way to the airport, and did it all on a budget. Because sometimes the best adventures happen when you're spontaneous. Forecast said rain and storms, but I landed under clear skies and sunshine. Apparently, the weather didn't get the memo either. I've got just 24 hours in Cancun and spending the day exploring the hotel zone, soaking up the beaches, the views, and everything you can experience in a day. But here's a question for you. Is it really possible to fly on a budget when you book last minute? Spoiler alert, I'm about to find out. I'm going to catch the R1 bus to the hotel zone. Costs just 12 pesos, which is about 64 cents USD. And the bus runs every 10 to 15 minutes, quite frequently. The ride will take about 20 minutes. Let's see what Playa Forum has to offer. Oh, the bus is here. See if I can make it. Hopefully it'll wait. Oh, I just made it. Oh, this is the R2. It also goes to the hotel zone. So I'll do the trick. Awesome. Alright, gotten off the bus and we're here at Playa Forum in the heart of the hotel zone. This is one of the most well-known beaches around here, super easy to access right from the main road. Only 10 in the morning and it's super hot. Popped into the 7-Eleven, let's get something cold to refresh, a bit of shade, and we're ready to go see the beaches. Today there's a lot of seaweed than usual. Most likely sargassum has been washing up heavily this season. The worker usually keeps the area clear, but the whole volume today may be a real challenge. Today we're exploring the hotel zone from Playa Forum to Farra Punta Lighthouse and finishing at calm waters of Playa Caracol. Playa Gavote Azul. This stunning beach has crystal clear water, soft white sand. True to its name, Gavote Azul stands for blue seagull. A breakwater jetty creates a calmer water, ideal for swimming and snorkeling, while outside its waves can reach 6 foot, good for surfing. For me, this was the favorite beach of all in the hotel zone. Had a nice ambiance, a quiet area, and it just a bit more upmarket. I loved the vibes, it was excellent. But now we're taking a little adventure, walking past the resort and along the rocks to find one of Cancun's hidden gems. We are passing by the famous Hyatt Ziva Resort, but we're not stopping there. We're heading straight to the very tip of Punta Cancun. This is Punta Cancun Lighthouse, one of the most scenic and underrated spots in the city. Built back in the 1970s, this lighthouse helped guide ships around the reef. Today it's more about guiding photographers to one of the best sunset spots in town. No crowds, no noise, just the ocean, the breeze, and the views hit different. Heavily damaged by Hurricane Wilma in 2005, the lighthouse lost its original lantern structure. Rebuilt with restored lantern and gallery, plus external stairway, it remains a sturdy working light, maintained as a maritime safety feature. We are heading out to explore even more of Cancun's stunning coastline. As we leave the quiet, rugged tip of the hotel zone, we're stepping right back in the beach life. The beach area next to Hyatt Ziva is a more secluded and scenic stretch of coastline. Protected cove, good for swimming, snorkeling and a peaceful vibe. Often less crowded than the main beach. I really enjoyed it, had nice clear water. Shame about the seaweed. You may notice hotel workers clearing the seaweed from the shore. This is called sargassum, a type of seaweed that naturally drifts from the ocean. It's not harmful, but it can produce a unpleasant smell as it accumulates. Many resorts in Cancun remove it daily to maintain clean and beautiful beaches for visitors. The water here is shallow, calm and perfect for swimming, snorkeling or just floating peacefully, and because it's partially reef protected, you don't get those Caribbean waves like you do on the eastern facing beach. Even better, this beach is public. That's right. In Mexico, all beaches are public by law. You can walk here. As the morning passes, the vibes here completely transform. The once quiet beach starts filling up. Local tourists, couples, families all begin to show up, laying out towels, jumping in the water and soaking up the sun. The music kicks in from nearby resorts and beach clubs, adding a classic Cancun energy. It's not overwhelming though, just the right blend of chill and fun. There are several vendors offering jet ski rentals. No reservation needed, just walk up, ask for a price and you're ready to go. On average costs around $60 to $90 USD for 30 minutes. That includes a life jacket and basic instruction. As we continue walking past Playa Caracol, you might notice a change in water quality. The beaches beyond the point start to receive runoff from the nearby lagoon. This can affect the color and clarity of the water, especially after rain or strong currents. While it's still safe for swimming, the water is not quite as crystal clear as the beaches closest to Punta Cancun. Just past the Mandalay Beach Club. The music on, people are already out on the pool. It's a lot more lively here. Definitely the party side of the beach. Even walking by, you feel the shift in energy. I'm back at the Playa Forum beach and I've come into the shopping center, gone on the terrace to have a look at the club called Coco Bongo Party. The daytime pool beach experience starts from $55 to $85, depending on whether it's a basic or premium drink access. Buying online usually gives you a small discount of $5 to $10. I am back on the main road and I will walk from Playa Forum to the famous Bongo Shrimp Company. It's about 2 kilometers, 1.2 miles, and will take about 25 minutes. Along the way, I'll show you some stunning views of Nichupta Lagoon, tropical scenery, and the vibrant energy of Cancun Hotel Zone before arriving at the iconic seafood spot. From above, you can really see the beauty of Cancun. On the left, the turquoise waters of the Caribbean Sea. On the right, the calm, scenic Nichupta Lagoon. It's a perfect example of Cancun's stunning geography. Ocean on one side, lagoon on the other. On the left, you can see the Sunset Royal. It's known for a stunning location between the Caribbean Sea and the Nichupta Lagoon. It offers panoramic ocean views. Yes, there are crocodiles, so watch your step. I just stepped into Lorenzilla's restaurant to check out the view of the Nichupta Lagoon. Like many places around here, most restaurants have outdoor seating, so enjoy the food with a lagoon view, and maybe a distant croc sighting if you're lucky. We have made it to Bongo Shrimp Company, here in Cancun. As you can see, if you're a big fan of the movie or the restaurant, you can grab some cool merchandise from the adjoining gift shop. Everything from t-shirts to Forrest Gump memorabilia. I'm trying the shrimp po' boy, crispy shrimp, toasted bun, and all the flavors you expect from a southern classic, right here in the heart of Hotel Zone. It costs 329 pesos, which is about 18 US dollars, bit on the pricey side, but you're paying for the food, the vibe, and the whole experience. I went into the shop to have a look at the merchandise, which ranges from t-shirts, hats to souvenirs, mugs and Forrest Gump-themed gifts. And here's a nice bonus, if you eat at the restaurant, you get 10% discount in the gift shop. Perfect if you plan to take a little piece of experience home with you. On my way back by bus, heading to the final beach stop, Lobster Beach, also known as Playa Lagosta. one last chance to enjoy the calm waters for today. This beach is a pier and views of Isla Majuras in the distance. If you're looking for a peaceful beach away from the party crowd, this is the place. This is the first beach in Cancun's hotel zone, located right next to Casa Maya Hotel and one of the docks where ferries leave for Isla Majuras. What makes this beach stand out is the calm, wave-free water and the stunning turquoise color. There is almost no sargassum. That wraps up the day here in Cancun, a relaxing afternoon at Playa La Costa to end things on a peaceful note. But the journey's not over. I'll be heading to Isla Holbox for 3 days, starting the day after tomorrow. So make sure you join me on the next video as we explore the beautiful beaches, sunsets, and chill sand vibes. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn notification so you don't miss it. Thank you and goodbye.